The elevator at some shopping center or something. Whoa, it's a Dover. Whoa, this is a very small Dover. Let's go to 2. I'm filming an outside elevator. Oh my god, the floor is making squeaking noises. The entire elevator is made out of wood. So I'm not surprised. Here we are at level 2. Let's go down to 1. And let's get a cab view. This is probably the smallest elevator I've ever been on in my life. Very, very small. And I am in my pajamas because I just woke up this morning. Let's see if there's a phone. Yep, there's a phone in there. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Did I just get stuck in here? Never mind. That was the longest leveling period ever. This elevator is old. There it goes. And that is it.